Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I'd love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. So today I thought I would just share with you guys my everyday jewelry collection, or like my jewelry collection video. I don't know what I'm gonna title it, but yeah, I thought it would be fun to show you guys because I've been getting so obsessed with like buying accessories lately that I thought it would be a fun video to watch. I just want to mention that all of my jewelry pieces are very affordable, because one, I lose jewelry so easily that I would be so sad if I spent like $1,000 on a necklace and I lost it. So yeah, plus I just think it's fun to like switch up your jewelry based off of like what you're wearing. So yeah, why don't we just get started. I'll show you guys the pieces I have on now. So let's see. So this necklace right here, it's an S, and I got this off of Amazon, and it's by the brand Pavoy. I think it looks so cute and dainty with this like top, and this necklace is so beautiful. Let me just go in a little further. It basically just has like pink and gold little things on it. I don't know. And they are, this one is from Gorjana, but I got it at Nordstrom Rack. It was a lot cheaper. I really wanted to test out Gorjana because I watch Chloe Julian. She loves Gorjana and talks so highly of them that I wanted to try it out, and I saw it at Nordstrom Rack, so I was like, oh, I'll just like test it out and see if I like it before I buy it off of the actual website. And then for earrings, I just have two piercings, but I don't put any like piercings in the second one. I just always forget. But these are my hoops. You guys have probably seen me wear these all the time. They're from Amazon again, and they're so cute. I love these hoops. I think they're so cute. And then for my rings, I have very chubby fingers, so I'm a little insecure about that because sometimes I can't find rings in my size because I have fat fingers. But these ones are from Nordstrom Rack as well. I got them in a little set. So this one is just like a thin little gold band, and then this one is like a little, kind of looks like a rope. It's like textured. So yeah, those are the pieces I have on now. I highly suggest you search on Amazon or Nordstrom Rack and like Forever 21 for jewelry pieces, because they're super affordable and I feel like they've gotten better quality. Like these necklaces from Amazon have not turned my neck green, these earrings have not rusted, and these rings haven't really made my fingers green either. They're still perfectly fine, and I still wash my hands like super often. So yeah, moving on to my other necklaces that I have another cute little like diamond necklace from Amazon, and this is just a cute little cross. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but yeah, it's just a super cute little cross, and it's gold. They have a bunch of different like metals if you guys want like rose gold or silver, but I think this one is so cute. I think the cross is beautiful, and I also think that like they look so much more expensive than they really are. Like they're only $12, but I feel like this one could actually kind of pass as like real. So yeah, I love this one. So those are all of like my daintier necklaces, I guess. I love to wear like these kinds of necklaces for when I'm more of like a girly, when I'm wearing more like girly tops like this one that are just more feminine and I want to like accentuate that. But for times when I have like, when I want to dress a little more like, I don't know, street style, or like I just want to wear like a graphic tee, I love to wear chains and I just love them. I think they just make your outfit look so cute. So I have this one. It's just like a flat gold chain, and this one is from Forever 21, I believe, and it came as a layered necklace, but I took the other pieces off because I just liked this gold flat chain. So that is what I have. And then the next one I have is also from Forever 21, and this one is like more of like, I don't know how to describe this one. It's a little, I guess it's a lot more daintier. I could even wear it with like this outfit and like layer it. But I also really like this one. And then this one, the next one I'm gonna show you guys, is a little more flashy, I would say. I definitely like feel like a rapper when I wear this, but it's just this super thick like chain, and I don't know if I did just have like a really chubby neck or like a thick neck, but it's so like, it's like a choker on me, and it's not like that on other people because I had them try it on and it was like loose on them. But I love this one. This one's from Urban. If I didn't tell you guys, I love to shop Urban Outfitter jewelry as well, and also Brandy Melville makes really good necklaces and earrings. I just didn't find any that I was like super obsessed with, but I love this one because it comes with this kind of clasp, and you guys know if you have long nails, doing the little tiny clasp takes so much effort. So yeah, I love this one. I don't know if I would wear it with this top though. I feel like it's not really like a vibe. Actually, it could be kind of cute. So yeah, I love this one. Moving on to other earrings, I don't really venture out too much off of like earrings, I guess. I always just wear hoops because I think they look cute, but I have these hoops that I think are just so extra and so fun. I would wear it with this outfit right now, but I figured I had enough bling. So they are just these hoops with little gold, or I mean like little diamonds encrusted. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. So that's kind of what it looks like. I think these are so cute and fun for like a going out look. I think it's just so extra that they have like diamonds in it. And yeah, I love these. I got these ones off of Amazon as well. I highly suggest you guys buy the brand Pavoy on Amazon. They make the best jewelry and it's super affordable. So yeah, I love these. And then continuing on with rings, it's really hard for me to find rings that fit my fingers because I have chubby fingers, like I said. So when I do find some that I like, I get really excited. So I have this ring. I guess I can just try them on for you guys and take off the ones that I'm wearing. So I have this one, which is from Nordstrom, I believe, and I think it looks so cute. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I just think it looks so pretty on your hands. And then this came in like a little pack or like a little set. So if you guys want to expand your ring collection, I highly recommend getting them in like a little set. I also have this one, which is just teeny little diamond. I think it looks so dainty and pretty. I love wearing rings when I have my nails done. Yeah. And then I also have this one, which is just a little pearl. I think that one's so cute. So yeah, those are all of my little accessories. I don't really wear what is it, bracelets that often because I don't know, I feel like it's so hard to get a bracelet on when you do the clasp with one hand. But I guess the only like accessory I would wear is my Apple Watch. It's just the white band. I do switch out the band sometimes, and this one's really dirty, but I have the Series 3 Apple Watch, and I like to wear this with more casual outfits, like if I'm wearing like leggings, like athleisure outfits. I love to wear this. I think it just makes it look cuter. And then for sunglasses, I love these. I've showed these in so many videos. These are from Amazon, and they're like the dupe for, I don't know which ones they are. They're like some designers. So yeah, I love these with this outfit. I think it looks super cute. I just hate wearing sunglasses because I don't like how dim it is. Which is kind of the point of wearing sunglasses. But yeah. So I guess I just will talk to you guys about some brands that I love to shop for jewelry. If you guys are looking for really inexpensive like costume jewelry, because that's what all of this is. It's not real jewelry. So I guess the first place I really love is Amazon. It's just 2-day shipping, and you can exchange or return it if anything's wrong. So yeah, I love that one. I also really like to do Urban Outfitters, like I said. I would say Urban Outfitters is pretty inexpensive for jewelry, and they make a lot of cute ones that are super trendy. Another place, I do want to check out more Gorjana pieces just because, I don't know, they're so cute, and I saw, like I said, Chloe wearing them and they just look so cute on her that I really want to expand my Gorjana collection. But yeah. Alrighty everyone, so that is the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!